We also need to talk about a transversal. Okay, so today we have transversal as a new term for you. Okay, a transversal is a line, a segment, or array that is cut by um, two lines, two or more lines. So let's write that down. It's a segment, a line. We'll see it more like that as a line or array that is cut. I like the word cut. Let's cut it. Cut by two or more lines, segments, or arrays. Let me show you an example. So I got a line, okay, and my line's labeled L. This line L is going to be cut by two different lines. Here's a line, here's a line. So let's call this line M, let's call this line N. Line L is our transversal because it's cutting two different lines here. Okay, it's actually hitting these two lines. Okay, if you look, line N is not a transversal because it's only hitting line L. Okay, we need to make sure it's hitting at least two, right? It's being cut by two. So we want to make sure that we're noticing that. Now, what you also need to notice is that we have some different angles here. So I'm going to label them. Okay, these angles have specific names. Um, if you notice, we want to kind of look at this as this being the inside, okay, and this stuff being the outside. Okay, it's like you're contained in the inside there. So wherever your lines are intersecting there, that's your inside. Okay, so we call that interior, and the green is the exterior. And so when we talk about different types of angles that are formed here, we have a bunch of different types of angles. Okay, so one set of different types of angles are like 1 and 2. 1 and 2 is a linear pair, right? Okay, we got a lot of those up there. We also have things like 5 and 8. 5 and 8 are vertical angles, which we talked about on Tuesday. So vertical angles, 5 and 8. So what I just want you to realize is that those angles are present as well, including some other ones. Okay, the first set I want to talk about are the alternate exterior. Okay, the alternate exterior angles are angles that are alternating between sides and are on the outside. So like angles 1 and 8 and 2 and 7. So angle 1 and angle 8, or angle 2 and angle 7. But just like having alternate exterior, we also have alternate interior. So alternate interior angles are angles that are on the inside and alternating between the sides of the transversal. So 3 and 6 and 4 and 5. Okay, now those are the easy ones, I think. I think those are pretty easy to identify. Now you also have the angle, you also have things called corresponding angles. And corresponding angles are angles that are on the same side of the transversal, and one is on the outside and one is on the inside. So they're on the same side, one is on the outside, one is on the inside, and they are on different vertices. So like angle 1 and angle 5. Those are on the same side and they're on different vertices. Angle 2 and angle 6. Angle 3 and angle 5. And angle, not angle 3 and angle 5, angle 3 and angle 7. and angle 4 and angle 8. So those are my corresponding. We have one more set of important types of angles, and those are called same side interior. And those angles are on the same side, and they're on the inside. That's pretty simple. So those are like angles 3 and 5, and angle 4 and 6. Those are my same side interior.